In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily fix white balance of your photos in Photoshop. We are going to use the auto curves method for white balance, but in two different ways. So let's start with the easy one. We are going to use 3 different images for your understanding. In order to follow along with this video, you need to download a Photoshop action. The download link is provided in the description of the video. After you have successfully downloaded the action file, load that action into Photoshop. On the white balance action group, select the auto white balance action and play it. Your photo will be white balanced automatically. Now I am going to show you how you can do that same process manually. First, create a curve adjustment layers. Then click on Auto. It's not white balanced because we have to change the auto algorithm. In order to change the auto algorithm, go to the Curves option, then select Auto Options. Auto Color Correction window will open up. On the Auto Color Correction window, select Fein Dark and Light Color and also select Snap Natural Mid-Tones. Now your image is white balanced perfectly.